Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shanty Star. So today's video I'm going to be doing a video on how to install a wig in like 5 minutes. Very easy and simple, so stay tuned. So I am going to be installing this wig. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a 24-inch long wig. I'll be installing this wig in this video. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a glue, and then you're gonna need a very nice soft hairbrush, and you are also gonna need the toothbrush, and you're also gonna need a do-rag or a bandana to help make everything tight, and you're gonna need a glass of water and of course a hairbrush. Step 1, you're gonna use glue, and you're gonna use your finger to put it around your hairline area, just in front of your hairline, depending on the wig that you're gonna be putting, whether it's a frontal or a 360. So you're gonna put the glue all around or just in front. So I'm going to be putting a frontal wig, so I'm going to just be doing the front. I'll do another video showing you how to do the back. Step number 2, we are gonna tie the wig, make sure it's tight at the back. Now we are gonna put the wig on. We're not gonna put it on fully, we're just gonna put it like just right by your hair line, but not bringing it forward, making sure all the hair is laid back, and then take it from each corner and make sure you pull it nicely and slow as you put it where you put the glue, right on top. So now that you have put the wig on, you are gonna rub it in just in front so that the glue can settle in and your wig can be stuck. And then you're gonna use the back of your toothbrush to do also that, and just make sure that the wig is stuck on properly. And then you're gonna take your cup of water, dip your toothbrush in. You're gonna use your toothbrush to brush all the hair that is in the front, like brushing it all neat to the back, and making sure that you don't have any hair in front interfering with the process while it's drying up. Just kind of fix all the mistakes and making sure everything is perfect before we can do the next step. The next step, we are gonna take our nice and soft brush. We're gonna make sure we brush all the hair to the back, keeping it neat in front, and we are gonna do our edges. So this wig is already cut, the front hair for the edges I've already done that prior to the video, before the video. And now when I do my edges, I tend to do them at the corner of my head and by the side. The front part, I normally try to leave it because I want the whole wig installation to look as natural as possible. So I tend to not do edges right in the middle there. I just tend to brush the hair back because I want to give it that natural look. So I'm gonna do exactly the same on the other side also. And then I'm gonna take my bandana and I'm just gonna roll it nicely like that, the way I did it there. And then I'm gonna put it right on the edges. And then I'm gonna make sure I tighten it a bit tight, not too tight, but so that just everything is put into place. And then I'm gonna brush my hair, neaten all the hair after that. And then after that we are gonna do our makeup. So here I am doing my eyebrows. It's just gonna be a short makeup video. So while I am waiting for my hair to dry, I'm gonna be doing that, and that is about like 15 minutes of makeup. And then after that I am gonna take off the bandana or the do-rag, whatever you want to use, it's up to you. And then it should have dried already by that time. Now that we have our makeup done, we are going to take this off. Before we do that, we're going to want to brush our hair nice and neat. Now we're gonna take the bandana slowly off, just to the front, nice and slow. See, now that we have it like that, now we have to put some foundation so that everything looks the same. And then I'm just gonna brush the hair, style it in any style that you would want to style it. And that is how I install a wig in about 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and please don't forget to make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell button and to like my video. Comment below on any other topics that you would like me to make a video on, and I will soon be making more videos on how to install a wig and how to put a ponytail and all of that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.